Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will open a beautiful off-canvas hummingbird kit I bought from Skryuie on Amazon in April 2026. I bought this gift to give to a friend. The kit comes with a stand to display it on a table, or using the included chain, it can hang on a wall or a window. I like the sparkly colors of the special shaped diamonds, and I hope you do too. The pattern. Let's look at this hummingbird hanging diamond art kit from Skryuie. I bought the kit in April 2026 for $9.99. This off-canvas kit is about 19 centimeters by 19 centimeters or 7.4 inches by 7.4 inches. There are 22 colors in this fun hummingbird kit. The diamonds are a fun mix of crystals and special diamonds. No DMC equivalents are listed. One side of the acrylic has the pattern ready for you to add the crystals and special shaped diamonds. The other side displays the hummingbird image. The kit includes a green tray to hold your diamonds, a pink stylus pen to pick them up, a red wax square to stick the gems to the pen, and a chain and hanger to hang the completed hummingbird. And there's a stand to use if you want to display it on a shelf. About the glue. The kit took longer than I expected because the adhesive wasn't sticky enough. The diamonds kept sliding around or falling off after I placed them. I decided to use tiny dabs of Elmer's glue to hold the diamonds in place. This glue bottle is from a quilling toolkit I bought way back in October of 2021 when I was learning how to do quilling. If I was working on a regular gridded canvas, I probably would have used dot stick instead so I could move and straighten the drills when done. In this case, I used Elmer's glue instead of dot stick. I wanted to make sure the drills didn't move at all after the glue dried. And after the glue dried overnight, my husband sprayed it with Minwax polyacrylic satin crystal clear water-based polyurethane to further seal the diamonds. Let's diamond paint. Rarely is there a problem with the glue on the diamond painting kit. All the other kits I've ordered from Skryuie had great adhesive. I think this was a one-off adhesive problem. I haven't had problems before, and I don't expect issues in the future. I'll continue to buy off-canvas kits from Skryuie without reservations. I'll keep my Elmer's glue handy just in case. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I had fun finishing the hummingbird kit in just over 2 hours in April 2026. This is a shiny off-canvas project that sparkles in the sun. With several large special shaped diamonds, it also has great texture. This was a wonderful gift for a friend in assisted living. She and her family have personalized her space with family pictures, her favorite paintings, and a collection of beautiful bird figurines. This sparkly hummingbird will add to the bird theme in her rooms. I recommend this kit, and I will look for more like it. It's a good choice when you're looking for a quick project that doesn't need a frame. My sister-in-law tried diamond painting. I bought a flower design for my sister-in-law to try when we visited her on vacation last June. She watched me work on the Hummingbird and then got started on her flower design. She loved it. She just retired from teaching, and a lot of her friends have been trying to get her to try diamond painting. She finished the kit soon after she got home. After a fun morning working together on our kits, she wanted to do more diamond painting, so we went shopping, dragging my husband with us. She found a beautiful wreath for her mother to work on. Her mother loved the idea and got started right away. It looks like her mother's enjoying her new hobby. It was great to get these two wonderful ladies interested in diamond painting. Are you working on off-the-canvas kits? Have you gotten your friends and family interested in diamond painting? We're having fun with our diamond painting kits, and we hope you are having fun too. I hope you're having lots of diamond painting adventures this summer. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe, and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.